In this video, you'll learn how to donate with cryptocurrency using Binance Charity. This guide will take you through each step to ensure your donation process is smooth and secure. Start by navigating to the Binance website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the option to sign in at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and click the login button. After signing in, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to access additional features. Next, from the menu, find and select the charity option. This will direct you to the Binance Charity section, where you can browse through various active donation campaigns. Take the time to review the details of each project, paying close attention to transparency information and the supported cryptocurrencies for donations. After selecting a charity campaign that resonates with you, it's time to make your donation. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to donate from the list provided. Then enter the amount you want to contribute. Before finalizing your donation, review the summary displayed on the screen to confirm that all details are correct. Once you are satisfied, securely confirm the transaction by clicking the donate button. After the donation has been processed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transaction was successful. It is important to save the confirmation details for your records, as donations are typically recorded on the blockchain, providing a transparent transaction history. To verify your donation, return to the Binance Charity section and navigate to your donation history. Here, you can review the details of your transaction and check the blockchain for confirmation. If a donation receipt is available, make sure to save it for future reference. Additionally, keep an eye on the campaign updates to stay informed about the project's progress. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to contact support for assistance. And that wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.